going there. Caleb, stop. We're going there. We're going there. Yeah, let's go.
Everybody who's playing, come on over here.
This place is cool.
And enter the map. Let's go, guys. Everybody who's in the staging area, come on this way. If you guys have a yellow band on, line up on my right-hand side with the band team. If you guys do not have a band on, line up on my left with the no band. Keep your mask on. Keep your mask on. Keep your mask on. Put his mask down. Just everybody. Who's coming? Let's go, boys and girls. Come on. Who's coming? Give him a hand. Where's the rest of your teammates? Where's the rest of them?
Look us! Right there!
No. Oh,
who's
now?
coming? Let's go, boys and girls.
Look us! Right here!
Will you do me a favor? Can we hide that band that's on your AK just because it looks kind of like a yellow band, so it's kind of...
Oh, this right.
Yeah, can we put that in a pocket just so it doesn't get confused?
I have a band.
So how you get the...
Is everybody?
Kinda scared.
Green. No, that's okay. Is it still recording?
I'm kinda scared.
You got one on already?
Yep.
This one on. Oh, yeah. Still hurt? Is it going away? Still hurt?
It's fine. Temporary.
It's only temporary. It stings for a minute, but then it kind of, if you rub it. Yeah. You don't have to buckle that part.
You guys should be only right there.
Look at him anyway. He's right here.
So just don't get shot, okay? You guys got to stay behind cover, right? Use buildings for
I am
cover.
so scared about this.
I'll explain it right now. I'll explain it right now. If you want to walk, if it hurts too much, you can stand off the map for a minute until it stops hurting, and then come back in. Okay.